What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Team Performance TV. I'm Gary. Today we're going to change the cabin air filter in my 2018 Infiniti Q50. So cabin air filter normally needs to be changed like once a year, depending on where you are and the conditions in your area. The first car with a cabin air filter was in 1979. I believe Saab was the first one who did it, and it became more of a common thing in the 2000s. Pretty much every car today has a cabin air filter. It helps you breathe better. It's just all in all healthier for you. Some newer cars have HEPA filters, so that takes it to another step. My car right now has some cheap regular filter and it's stinking. So from Rock Auto, I got a charcoal filter that's supposed to help remove smells and odors from Beck & Arney. So you'll see the difference when I remove that filter to this one. The weight difference is ridiculous. This thing is solid. We'll take out the other one and see what it looks like. So to get to the cabin air filter in this car, it's on the passenger side, right behind the glove box. So what we're gonna have to do is remove the glove box. You start by emptying all your garbage, napkins, masks, all the other stuff you have in here that shouldn't be here. Okay. So once you empty the glove box, to remove the glove box, there's a little notch here and there's a little extrusion from the glove box itself. You just have to bring it across, pull it out, and then you do the same on this side. Get the light on. So this side has the same thing. You just bring it across and it should drop down. So once you get this side out, you bring it and you shift the glove box. We'll get this side out and then you just pop it off like that. So now that the glove box is out of the way, you gotta remove this little panel here, and the cabin air filter is in this housing. So you'll pop it off, just like that. So this filter was recently changed, it's gonna be clean. Or I thought it would be clean. This used to be white, maybe about a month ago. Let's go take it out to the table and see what the difference is between this one and the new one. Alright, so back on the table now. This is the old filter. Look how flimsy this thing is, right? You can pretty much see through it. Super thin. I don't know why I bought this. This was the only one that the Advanced Auto by me had, and it didn't do its job. Now this is the new one. It's a charcoal filter. It's solid. I can't pull it apart. I'm trying to pull it apart right now. It's not moving. The weight difference between these two, this is like 5 times heavier than this one. So imagine the kind of filtration you're going to get out of this compared to this garbage. This is by Purelator. Don't buy this. It's a waste of time. This is by Beck & Arney, and it's definitely going to be better filtration than this one. Same size, but you can clearly see the difference. Now let's go install this one, and hopefully I don't get any more funky stuff. So when installing this, you got to be mindful of the arrow on the filter. So this brings air down, so I got to put it in upside down in like that, and you see it fits. And now I just got to cover it up. Air comes from the top, goes through the filter into the fan. This goes here. There's 2 notches at the end of it. You got to make sure you put it back in the hole. That's what she said. And it's back in. I'm trying to do this one-handed. In. Second one. And we're done, folks. Now it's time to put the box back in, and we're good. So now to put the glove box back in, you got to make sure these things go in first, the little notches. Well, actually, you can put it in afterwards, I think. Yep. And you're good to go. So put the top in first, then the bottom, and you're good to go. That's it. So I really wanted to change this air filter too because of the Canadian wildfires smoke that passed through last week. If anybody knows, Google it. You'll see how much smoke New York had. Nobody wants to be breathing in that kind of stuff. So change your cabin air filter when you need to. I'm pretty sure everyone in this area needs to change their cabin air filter. Rock Auto was my best bet. You know, go to your local auto parts store, see if you can get one. You can do it yourself. Don't pay to get it changed. Thanks for watching, guys. If you made it this far into the video, please like and subscribe. It's much appreciated.